Thang ni phaing ko rake thom lakhaing ko raisi Borjan constituency hidipia hawar mentisorong langki ik LP school aklamalong Karbi Anglong solar power project affected people right committee hin pen chiroktok rat amaipi ke pamanpon bangso mai long mai phu kachapam phu pon KAS PPA PRC advisor Bikram Hansi pensi Japan lo Southeast Asia Transitions Alliance Advisor Pranab Dole, Land Right Struggle Committee Assam, Subrata Talukdar, Kursing Timung, Ser Singh Be, Anita Match, Rongasar, Lapen Mekaratum, Chitong Dunsi, Mai Ardido Jotpen, Pedopondo. Lapen, Mai Judet Api Peranke, Amaitami, Ingi Pontulo. Bangso Perangke Amayalong, Bikram Hansi Pen Kaninche Ponke, Borjan constituency ang Kangalong solar project nang kibike kichokche tektiklo atheko an aningkan penta khai barim atumsi nang do nang thak bomsi chek han thengpi chitronala lapen kaprek ason cho AC amina kerenga warsai chepalong pon bonta pini Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen Asians Development Bank upon lamthe kachepaklang ponke phan troksir ke brahini tokbor pho ke Westland Pusit report kipidun Arona Ting Ladakh ADB Mate Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen awareness rongalong nangbi belang bang solar project kupilo ali lapen kana hok alam thangta pachini ne pinna la sojoni radatum solar kupilo lapen ali kupilo kelong dun jielam thi thangna ta chini ne lang la silake longle ki thibor ilo Nilitum solar project ki biya bangki che London tek thelo puta ning che po.
Aprangsi ke lahen lo ilitum ladak solar project jong si develop lo tang te ka effect je bangke 18,000 bighas. He dung along le ke lake ilitum Karbi Anglong pen ke lake dam chui po. On top of that la rong ingkoi rake thom amulu kutum bang surhini bak sose alang litum bangke ladak pen kacuklem kacodam ta cuklem long ledet po lalo lapen iltum Karbiatum a culture a tradition ta dakpen itum so angkang ban ke dam ji po ilitum aron barem tum pulonte than thili kardom kardi athai ta dam ji po Christian ator mondo church pen chenglo kadu we tamil dakpen dam lapo lai ke ilitum religious attack lo lapen itum a cultural ban attack hidum lo lapen on top of that life and death alam do ilitum dak masih dun edet kangjang
PDCL pen council tum chelang si ADB Asian Development Bank atum phan khodai de jisila tum kachisik lo lasi nilitum kachinda mateng polrangte lake council atum longle kachujor 18,000 bighas along le kachujor ye phansil atum jisik lo
land which is completely been cultivated for hundreds of years by the villagers here, which the reports given to the submitted to the Asian Development Bank is showing us wasteland where people do not waste it. So we are against this, and people have come together. They have not done any kind of awareness campaign here. Everything has been based on lies, and these are that's why the people here today has taken a pledge to democratically oppose this project.
Dilai pen bijoy rongpi Karbi Anglong live.